Welcome to another video of 1JZGTE Garage. Today we have a, what year is this? 73 Corona or Corolla. Yeah. So this is what they call the Candungo. And he's got a 1J single turbo. Let me clarify, I did not put that in there. It was all his job. But I helped out with the wiring. They brought the car here, it wasn't starting. We got it to start. We troubleshoot it. It had these wires mixed, crossed. But I mean, it came like that from the JDM place, right? They were crossed from the JDM place. You didn't cross them, right? Yeah. You see? But we did the wiring inside. He did this panel. He did this panel, and I just basically hooked up the things into whatever for the ECU and whatnot, and you're gonna hear it starts right up. We're gonna shut it up quick because we got no water, but you guys can tell it's running already. Let me shut it off. So, how long you been working on this car? 2 years. Oh, look at GoPro straight. 2 years working on. He started working on this car before I even went for basic training, and I came back and he had it almost done. But you were dormant for a while, right? You didn't do anything. Yeah. You just sitting there. So what got you motivated again to finish it? Me watching my videos. Watching your videos. He kept watching the 1JZGTE beers and he got pumped up. But he's almost done here. All he needs is a dry shop and a little things that we're gonna do here, like put the alternator to charge. He's got to get the radiator in there. He's got a small misfire, but we know for a fact that it's the coils or the map sensor that's bad, or the wrong one. One of those three things. But it idles fine and everything else is fine. So are you gonna one day race the Supra and beat it, right? That's what you told me when you got here.
We'll see.
You see? He's not scared. And then we also got this one over here that we're doing. We're building the engine. Got the engine here, bad piston. It just disappeared, the bearing, and right now we're waiting on the crankshaft to come over here and finish it up. But you see all the pieces over there and whatnot. So, what was the hardest thing for you about this build?
The firewall.
The firewall?
Yeah. Pushing the firewall back.
Man, but they gave you a lot of room in the front though, because the radiator fits good. And I'm pretty sure the fans are gonna be here, right?
Yeah.
So, did a lot of people tell you it's gonna be hard, like you can't do it?
No, they just...
Or you just didn't care what they said? You knew you could do it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. That's all it takes. So yeah, I mean, you're gonna see this car at the track, because he likes going to the track. I've seen, but he never taken a car yet. But it's gonna be the first car on the track, hopefully one day. He's still got to do the rear end. He's got stuck rear end, and he knows for a fact that he said he's gonna break it. Yeah. But I think he don't want to break it. He's gonna swap it before he breaks, which makes sense, you know, because he can save it or sell it, make money before he breaks. Or you can break it and then say you're a badass.
Save it for the other car.
Save it for the other car. And but yeah, I mean, just want to show you guys this beautiful car that came to the house today, and what he's done, the job he's done has been pretty good. And what I still have to do with the wiring. Like I said, when he got over here, obviously the car did not start at all, and in a matter of minutes this car was running already. So everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you have not done so, and I will see you guys later. And that's Rosario Terros, if you guys don't know him. He wants a Supra too. See you guys.